Hi all. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how can we perform drag and drop event using actions class in Selenium. So let me show you the application under test first. So this is our application under test. If you see, we have capitals over here and we have the countries. So these capitals are the draggable items, whereas the countries are the droppable items. For example, I know the capital of United States is Washington. So I can drag Washington from here and I can drop it here. So how can we perform this event? That means the drag and drop event using Selenium. To do that, what I can do is I'll go to Eclipse and I will create one class under Selenium package. And I will name it as drag and drop. So I can copy the script where actually we are launching browser and we are navigating to the application under test. I'll copy the code from here and I will paste it over here. So basically this is the generic code where actually we are launching browser and we are navigating to the application under test. So all I have to do is I just have to change the application URL. So I will take the application URL from here and I will change it. I just have to paste it over here, right? After that, what I have to do is, let me just refresh this so that it will come to its original state. So this is my draggable item and this is my droppable item. So let's inspect both of them. So let me inspect this one. Or say like this, Washington, right? So if you see, it has one ID and the value is box 3, right? So I can write like this. So I'll just write here web element source is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. Here we can go for ID because we have the ID value for that particular web element. So what is the ID value? ID value is box 3. I can take this and I can put it over here. And this web element interface has to be imported, which comes from org.openqa.selenium package. Then web element target is equal to driver.find element by .id. So what is our target? Again, we have to inspect. This is our draggable item. Sorry, this is our droppable item. So we just have to inspect it. So this is our target. Okay, so if you see, it has one ID value box 103. So take this and put it over here. So now we have found our source and target. That means the draggable item and the droppable item. So we just have to create an object of actions class. So I'll write here actions builder is equal to new actions. So here I have to provide the reference variable of WebDriver interface, right? Because here the parameterized constructor of actions class is being invoked. I have to import the actions class, which comes from org.openqa.selenium.interactions package. and I have to write here builder dot drag and drop. If you see, we have source and target, right? So I'll go for the first one. This is also method overloading concept. Okay, sorry, this is not a method overloading concept, because if you see, the two methods are different. The first one is drag and drop and the second one is drag and drop by. So in the second method, actually we have to provide the source and the X and Y offset. So basically here you have to provide the X and Y offset values of the droppable item where actually you want to drop it. Okay, but as I have got the source and target, I have the known source and target, so I can go for the first one. So that's it. Okay, source and target, and after this you just have to write dot build dot perform, right? That's it. So we will run this script and check whether it is working as expected or not. So I will give one breakpoint over here so that you will be able to see. Okay, so let's run it. Run as, or let's say we will go for debug. Okay, because we have applied breakpoint Java application. So it is going to open the MS Edge browser and it has navigated to the application under test. Now if you see, the Washington has already been dragged and dropped here, right? So now if I resume the script, then it will quit our application. Okay, so there is one more way to do this, that also I will show you how to do drag and drop. So I can write like this, builder dot click and hold. We have something called as click and hold. So here I'll give the source. Okay, then I'll give some pause here, say duration dot of seconds. So I'll wait for 2 seconds, right? Then dot move to element, and here I'll give the target. After that again I will pause, and here I'll give 2 seconds pause, duration dot seconds, like of seconds, and here I'll give 2. After that we have to release it, right? Release it. So let's write like this. Okay, so what I am doing here is, so here it has to be click and hold. Okay, so click and hold. Okay, so first I am calling this method click and hold. That means I am performing this action on source. Okay, after that I am waiting for 2 seconds. After that I am going to the target location, move to element, right? And again I am waiting for 2 seconds. After that we are releasing it, right? So after that I can write here dot build dot perform. Okay, it will do the same thing. Okay, so let's run this. So this time what I will do, I will change the browser value to Chrome, and we will run the script against Chrome browser. So debug as one Java application. So it's going to open the Chrome browser. Okay, now it has navigated to the application under test. See, okay, so if you see, so Washington has been dragged to the United States, right? See, Washington has been dragged to the United States. So let's resume the script and it will quit the application. I hope you are clear on this, how to do drag and drop using actions class in Selenium. Thank you for watching this.